Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about setup-cowork skill. So, as I said, in this video I will talk about setup-cowork skill. As you can see, currently I am in the Claude cowork section and we will try to use it. What is setup-cowork skill? It is very useful if you are setting up cowork for the first time, or for example onboarding a new team member. You have this built-in skill that walks you through everything. You have, I think, 5 steps that you need to do in order to make it work. And now I will show you how does it work. So we will just type in run and set up cowork, but maybe not now. I will just show you that this skill actually exists in the settings. So go into settings, skills, and here we have setup cowork. You have setup cowork with the description guided cowork setup, install role, match plugins, connect your tools, try a skill. So this is how it looks like. And again, now I will just write run setup cowork. I will press enter. And we will wait. You can see the progress bar right here. First of all, we are running the skill, of course, so we are running the setup cowork. And now you can see on the you can look on the progress bar. So first of all, we have to figure out our role. Then we will have the suggest plugin. Then AI will suggest us the connectors. We can try a skill and we can wrap up. So first of all, welcome cowork handles multi-step tasks autonomously. Things like reading your email, searching your documents, drafting reports, using your real tools. You extend it with skills, reusable workflows. You trigger with /name, connectors which wire in your actual app, and plugins, bundles of skills plus connectors for a domain. So let's get you set up. Takes a few minutes. What kind of work do you do? So we will just maybe press on engineering. Engineering, let me check what you've already got installed. And now, the figure out role step is done. We don't have plugin, let's fix that. Searching the marketplace for engineering plugins now. As you can see, it is searching for engineering plugins. So we are waiting. Reading some files. And maybe, as you can see, here are plugins built for engineering works. Each one adds a set of skills you can run with. So you have 2 plugins. Installing a plugin drops its skills straight into your /menu. In the engineering plugin is the core one, code review, stand-ups, incident response, and more. Figma is great if you work touches design to code handoffs. Once you've added one, want me to pull up the connectors. It uses so these skills have your real data behind them. So maybe we are not going to install any plugins right there. So we'll close that. I am not going to install any plugins right now. Why? Because I will record the separated videos about plugins, so I think it will be the better option. So we will move into the connectors, I think. As you can see, no problem. Let's skip that part because we don't have plugins. We cannot use also the connectors. Now, you've already got some built-in skills ready to go. Here's what is available to try right now. Click any of these skills to run it now, or just type in any new task to see the full menu. Want me to try it out? You can actually try it out. Maybe I'm not going to try it out. I will just type in no. You can do it. I will just show you how does it look like. And basically we are finished. You are set. Start a new task from the sidebar anytime, or type / to see your skills. So this is how it looks like. This is how the skill creator, setup-cowork looks like. You have the 5 steps that you can do, or you cannot, or you don't have to do. You can skip some of them. As you saw, probably you can figure out your role. The plugins will be suggested to you, so you can actually install them or skip them. You can try a skill. You can also skip it, like I did in this video. Why? Because I created a lot of videos about skills, and I will create it in the future. So it is not necessary, I think, to try the skills in this video. Same with the plugins. I will record videos about plugins where I will show you what is plugin, how to install them, how to connect with something, and I think this is the better topic for the separated video. But in that case, in case of setup-cowork skill, that's all. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.